Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My wallet is probably so upset with me. If certain stuff you are going to buy anyway, why not buy it during the sale? So for today's video, it's gonna be a cumulative haul. Most of the stuff is gonna be during the Black Friday sale, or the stuff I purchased during the past a little bit that I couldn't resist. This haul is going to be from both Sephora and Shoppers. If you are curious to see what I got, then keep on watching. Side note, I did purchase more than what I'm gonna show you today. Certain product I took out of the haul simply because they are going to be Christmas gift. I know not everybody's watching my video, but just in case, I leave them outside of the haul. Unlike the VIB sale in October, where everybody get a percentage off across the store. For Black Friday, Sephora did a lot of individual items, give them a really great sale. So nothing across the store, some days across the brand, most of the time it will be more item in the sale area or a specific Black Friday area. I know for this year there was a 8 days celebration for Black Friday where each individual day there will be one brand or two that have 25% off across the brand. I was so busy for the past while, so I actually had a list of from each individual brand what I want to get, and I just missed the date. So honestly, I didn't get much from Sephora this time simply because I just did a haul like a month ago, and to me, for Black Friday sale, Shoppers Drug Mart has a better deal. So the first item I'm gonna talk about is the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. So this one is the 8-ounce tube, which is the jumbo size. Normally this one is retail for $60. During the Black Friday, it was $19. For a lot of people, it's their winter staple. It is a richer cream, but it's not hard for the skin to absorb. It only happens once a year, so a lot of people have been waiting for this, and they will buy 3 or 4, and they will be good for another year. It is a beautiful, beautiful cream, especially in the Alberta area. It's so cold and so dry in the winter. This one gives you a lot of hydration and protection. So for the Ultra Repair Cream, it is a dedicated face cream. But because of the size and the texture, if you have like a dry elbow, dry hand, dry knees, you can use it all over the body. It is also fragrance free, so it is very sensitive skin friendly. Next, I have the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel from Dr. Dan's Gross. This peel is my staples for a really long time. Not gonna lie, when I got this box, I thought this is the regular 5-pack, which is still a good deal. Considering I believe normally the 5-pack in the travel section retails for $22 or $23, and this one is $19.50 Canadian. So that's why I got it. And then I realized this is a 10-pack. Isn't that crazy? So it comes in individual package. It has 2 different steps. Pretty much after you cleanse the skin, you can open step 1, wipe it all over. I believe the instruction said you should wait for a couple minutes and then go in with the second step. I typically just use them back to back. I do not have sensitive skin, so please follow instruction. So from my understanding, step 1 is mainly focused on exfoliation, where it takes off all the dead skin, deep cleanses the pores, and for the second step, the anti-aging benefits and refines the pores and all those benefits comes in, and then it kind of neutralizes all the acids in the step 1. I believe for Black Friday, it comes in either the extra strength or the regular strength. So the extra strength has 7 different acid blend, where the regular has 5 different acid blend. There should also be a blue one that's for sensitive skin, where it has 3 different acid blend. Even though this one says it's a daily peel, because I have a lot of other steps that's for exfoliation, so I only use it once, maybe twice a week. If you haven't tried it out, even the 5-pack will be enough to tell whether you like it or not. Yes, I pulled the trigger. This is the Orchidea Imperial line from Guerlain. This one is part of my redemption. I figured I'm getting extra dollars off. With this price point, if there's no sale going on, I probably won't buy it. I'm always a huge fan of Guerlain. I love their makeup, I love their fragrance, and I also love their skincare. Right now, I'm not planning on opening the kit right away, even though last video I just said I need to use it right after I buy it. It's just I'm currently using their Abbey Royale line, so I figured once I finish certain items, I will open this box and then start using some of the items. So the Abbey Royale line is more focusing on honey and the healing aspect of honey. That line is very hydrating, very nourishing, but it doesn't feel sticky or thick afterwards. For the Abbey Royale line, there are several kits available where you get the full-size serum or the full-size double R, and then you get a couple different other options to try out. For the Orchid Imperial line, the price point is definitely high up there. The full-size face creams are $500–600. Even the eye cream is like $300. I don't know if I'm ever gonna buy it, but with the Shoppers point system, I might. I'm so surprised when I saw this kit. This one is so perfect. All 4 items are not the full size, which is a great option to try it out. So this one includes the essence in lotion, which I would just consider that as essence. It has the micro lift concentrate, which I will consider that as a serum. It also has the eye cream and the face cream. Besides cleanser, you have the full routine right here. And even though the eye cream is extremely pricey, you can use it both for eye area and the lip area, which is a plus. I'm not gonna go too in-depth about what's going on with this line compared to the Abbey Royale. Maybe I'll do a separate video. Let me know if you're interested. It's kind of interesting Kylie Cosmetics decided to pick Shoppers Drug Mart as their retailer in Canada. I'm not entirely sure how much makeup they carry, but Shoppers has a pretty full line of their makeup. Last month, they came out some body bath candles. They're all lavender, super soothing and calming. I really love lavender scent. I know the scent by itself is very soothing and calming and help you to sleep. When I was in junior high, I was in a boarding school, you can say. Pretty much I go home once a week. My mom bought me those eye packs. It pretty much looks like a little pillow thingy that filled with lavender. So I supposed to put it on my eyes when I go to sleep, and it helps to calm my mind down. Back in junior high and high school, it's a completely different story. Very stressful, but that's not for today. Anyway, my mom got that for me and I really enjoyed it. So now ever since I find a lavender scent, I will always smell it and compare it to my childhood memory pretty much. This one is pretty true to the lavender scent and it's supposed to be a bubble bath. So I decided to give it a shot. I feel like this video or this haul is gonna be filled with story time. I don't know what it is. I feel very talkative today. Maybe that's why. Okay, so I do not have a TikTok. It's just in my mind. I know for a fact if I download it, I'm gonna spend way too much time on it. So I wouldn't know what's trendy or what blow up on TikTok. It's been a while now, but I noticed the Dior lip oils and the Clarins lip oils were super popular on TikTok at one time. So it's like sold out everywhere and everyone's talking about it, everyone wants to try it out. And I actually really enjoyed the Clarins lip oil back in the day when they only have 2 regular shades in the square bottle. I'm not trying to say I love it before the trend blew up. I'm trying to say they're all good products. So this time, when I see they're actually in stock, I decide to grab a few shades. So I grabbed the number 4 Pitaya, number 5 Apricot, and number 20 Lovely Rose. Number 4 Pitaya is a very popular shade. Ooh, I like that noise. It's a true everyday pink with a pretty neutral undertone, so anybody can wear it. Number 5, apricot. It's a pretty orange-ish shade. Me personally really enjoy good orange lips. That's why I want to grab this one. For number 20, lovely rose. This one is a special shade. I believe it's a limited edition to support charity. So my understanding is every unit you purchase, they will donate $5 to the organization. In the tube, I thought the lovely rose would be somewhere in between the apricot and the pitaya, but it's much lighter on swatch. Technically, it makes no sense to swatch lip oils, but at least you have a brief understanding how those shade looks. In general, Clarins has a pretty decent ingredient list, and especially for their lip oils, it's very nourishing on the lips. If you typically like a glossy lips and then you find it's extra dry weather-wise, try out the lip oils. It's very pretty. All those Clarins lip oils has a very pleasant, delicious scent. It's beautiful. I will pause here for the haul. So another one-time use 20% off at Sephora is coming December 2nd. I believe it's all the way to December 11th. So if you're looking for recommendations, I have a video for you. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to see more similar content coming. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the video.